So it's not uncommon in the summer months to see groups of mature female leopard sharks coming together in these large groups, and we call these aggregations. In these aggregations, you usually expect that essentially the mature females are seeking out warm water. So they'll all come together, group together in these pockets of warm water that you'll find in shallow water during summer months. Because the sea floor is not completely flat or uniform, you end up with different pockets that are either cooler or warmer than other areas. So we're thinking that they want to specifically find these warm pockets of water. And because there's a limited amount of that, you might expect that there could be some competition where only a certain amount of individuals can fit into that pocket. I'm going to measure this by using an unmanned aerial vehicle, also known as a drone, to get a bird's eye view from the sky of these shark aggregations, or the groups of sharks all together. At the same time, I'm going to use temperature loggers on the seafloor bottom to make a map of those temperatures along the seafloor. This will enable me to essentially overlay the positions of those sharks that I've gained from that bird's eye view over that temperature map that we've created of the seafloor bottom to essentially see what temperatures they are in fact occupying. What I expect if there's competition is that there will be more larger individuals in these warm pockets than smaller ones. And if the smaller ones are present, I'd expect to see them on the perimeter of the aggregation and not in the center. So with global climate change, we can expect sea temperatures to start rising. So those temperatures that they're aggregating in now might start moving to different areas. So areas that are protected now for these sharks might not be protected in the future. So that could have implications for their management in the future. Leopard sharks are an important coastal predator. They feed on things like worms, crabs, small fish, and are very important for our coastal ecosystems. Because they aggregate and come together so close to shore in shallow waters, they can be quickly and easily overfished. Drones have become very popular and a lot of hobbyists are using them. What we as scientists need is basically better software that can help us analyze our images in our video to better answer questions in a more reasonable timeline. So this and other new technologies will help us learn more about sharks, which are incredibly important animals in our ecosystem. And the more we know about them, the better we can protect them.